Hi, in this video I would like to guide you through the new features of DJ-Catalog version 3.9. As you can see, our demo site is multilingual, and that's because one of the most significant change in the new version is the possibility to translate DJ-Catalog contents to multiple languages, same as you can do it already with Joomla articles, for example. In the backend area, you will see that products can be assigned to different languages, like that, and they also can be associated with the equivalents in different language. In the front-end area, it works typically. You have a product in the English version, switch the language to another, and that's it. Your contents are multilingual. What's more, you can easily create your content in one language and then duplicate it to another language. I will show you how it works. First, I will select a product and assign it to English language. Then I select language from the filter, check on the product, and then click on Batch button. I can now not only duplicate the product, but I will also automatically copy the assignments between Polish and English version. As you can see, our product is now duplicated to another language and is associated with the original content. The another new feature is the possibility to create customer fields. In the previous versions of DJ-Catalog, fields such as name, address, phone number were hard-coded and uneditable. Now you can create your own fields and assign it whether they should appear in user registration page, user's profile page, checkout form, or inquiry form. Another feature is the possibility to create message templates. Also, in the previous version, it was possible to edit the templates of email notifications. For example, when customer purchased products through your website, he was receiving an email notification, but in order to change this notification, you had to edit the PHP layout files. Now you don't have to do that because you can easily change the template in the backend area and use convenient editor to prepare the template of your message as well as the subject. Another new feature is also related to message template. Each email notification is now stored in the database so that the administrator can go through the log of all the messages and see which recipient received which notification. Right now this log is empty, but in the practice each notification will be displayed here in the table manner, and I will now show you how it works on another website. For example, this message, I can see the contents, what has been sent to the customer. Number 5. In the backend area, you can also create custom order statuses. Just like with the customer fields, which were hard-coded in previous versions, so were the order statuses. Now, by default, you have a list of default statuses, but you can edit them, their names, their descriptions, and even assign unique message notification that should be associated with specific order status. This means that, for example, if the order status is set to completed, I can create a personalized email notification and assign it to this status. Those statuses will have to be connected to some specific settings. For example, you can select default status for orders placed by new customers, not logged in, registered customers. You can select the status for payments, which means that, for example, if you are using PayPal on your website and PayPal notifies your website that order has been paid, then here you select which status should be assigned to a specific order. There's also attributes that allow you to control when the invoice should be created, upon which status change. So for example, in this case, and this is how it works by default, the paid, confirmed, and completed statuses are entitled to generate the invoice for specific order. We'll also notice that we added new type of module that is available in Joomla dashboard for administrators. The module is named DJ-Catalog2 Admin Stats. The module is meant to display order statistics in your backend, of your Joomla. You can see how it works in here. We have stats. We can select the period and another filters that refer to either customers or products. All the stats are presented in the graph, two versions of the graph actually. In order to publish this module, make sure you open the extensions modules, then select administrator filter in here, and then create the admin stats module. Finally, you need to place it in appropriate template position. Usually cPanel is the best choice. Finally, we have created another handy tool for the administrators. Joomla Action Logs plugin. As you may know, Joomla has the possibility to collect statistics for all the actions performed in the backend or frontend. We have created integration with this component that allows you to manipulate and log specific types of actions. For example, in the plugin configuration, we can select what sort of actions should be logged by Joomla, and then we can go through all the actions that has been performed. For example, you can see that user admin, which is me, updated the customer's extra field 1 hour ago. So it would be all. We hope that you will enjoy all the new features, and of course we encourage you to go through the documentation available on our website and read more about the new features and how to use them. Thank you.